Hello YouTubers, ps2, ps2, let's go. Yeah, there's about enough screws here. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is get this dish tray reassembled. Alright, want to get that in place. Something is not right on this thing, so let's see. This thing's all out of sync. No, it's not. This has got to go underneath, that's why. Alright, slide it over, and you got yourself your dish tray back together. Alright. Now I got the two black screws, put these back in the side to hold this piece of shit on. Just gonna go fast on this because I really have to do homework, but I really want to get this reassembled. Let's go organized again. I gotta send this out to the guy. I gotta send this out to Jared. So Jared's gonna get his iPod, his ps3 back. And anyway, YouTubers, back to the reassembly of the PS2. Alright, so yeah. Hey. What? What? Yeah. What's his name? Dude, you haven't even seen me run on track yet, so don't be chatting. Dude, I keep taking my antibiotics, but dude, I don't feel any better with my throat and shit. I don't feel any better. I don't know what the fuck my doctors are talking about, but I still feel like shit. But it's not contagious, dude. It's not contagious because I got the antibiotics in my body. So still go to school and shit. Thank God. But antibiotics aren't helping me as fast as they should. So yeah, I go to my doctor, which is good. On Friday, I'm getting my physical. I can ask him then about it. Was she staring at you at all? Yeah, dude, I cannot wait till I run on a track on Monday. Monday's gonna be sick for me. Fuck! Circuit board isn't... Oh shit, that's not good, YouTubers. The circuit board on top of this thing is bent in, so I gotta pop this bitch off and fix that circuit board. This thing wouldn't run at all without that bitch being flexed out, so... Going to unscrew these screws. What? So now I'm about to take off the motherboard of this game system. Just real quick. The motherboard is a pain in the ass to get back in, so I don't recommend you guys take off the motherboard because she's a cunt. Anyway. Alright, YouTubers, that's the motherboard. Look at that motherboard. She's sexy. Dude, look how sexy that is. Dude, I would just, if I was in a private room right now, you know what I would do. Dude, I'm telling you, dude, this is a beautiful piece of machinery. This is the best I've seen in any game system, to be honest. The Atari sucks. Basically, all the game systems suck. Except for the PS2. The PS2's actually got a pretty sweet motherboard. This is the best motherboard I've ever seen. And this is easy to repair, and it looks awesome. So this big thing right here, this is actually the main circuit. This actually sucks in the power and delivers it to the rest of the system. And of course, you guys know this is switch where you plug it in, the AC adapter. These are the different acid pins. One of these is the time sink, and the time sink is major. It saves the time on the game system, and it tells the game system how long it has to work for you. That's when, once that time thing goes, that's when the whole game system isn't going to work. So next video I'll teach you guys how to remove that so you can make your game system last even longer. Anyways, it's going to take me a soldering gun, a pair of pliers, and I'm going to have to wear some gloves on this, because that's going to be a very big pain in the ass, because this is a very big solder piece right here I have to desolder. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get back to reassembling this PS2, so we can send it back to Jared. What? Alright, YouTubers, that's that's fixed. Now this is how you guys recognize. When you take off the motherboard, you recognize it. She's popped out of place. You're gonna, underneath, you see the solder. If it comes to necessariness, if this is so loose, this piece right here, then it's necessary to take a desoldering gun and desolder that bitch and resolder that bitch back on again. This way, you'll get the power through the system even faster. Because sometimes when this thing shakes out of place, when it's trying to receive power from the whole entire motherboard, it can't deliver the power to every part of the game system like it should be. So make sure that if you have to be experienced, obviously, for that. But anyways, no, I'm working for Sony, bro. I'm gonna be working in the engineering department. I'm gonna be making the PS4s and shit. I'm gonna be making all their new game systems. That's what I'm doing. I'm making money right now, Nick. A guy sent me his PS2 and I'm repairing it for him. Making money right now. Getting people sending me their game systems, I'm fixing them. Making money. Making money like my dream way. Anyways, YouTubers. Alright, YouTubers, so that's back on track exactly the way it should be. So now you just put all the screws back in, screw that bitch back on. And I like to call the motherboard a bitch, because the motherboard actually has a girl's name, so it's technically the bitch of the whole system. Bitch species, anyway. That's the actual definition. You hook it up in the dictionary. When you look at up the word motherboard, you'll see the word bitch in the definition. Just saying. Alright. What? That's cool. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to multitask, talk on my friend, the phone, and all that bullshit. Alright, so. What? I will be AFK for a second, guys, away from keyboard. Until then, you will hear a loud beeping noise. Haha, just kidding. Linda, listen. Listen, Linda. I'll be right back, YouTubers. AFK for a minute. I'm back, YouTubers. Alright, I see I did drop one of the pads for the game system, so I gotta pick that up. Put it back off to the side. Ooh. My shirt got caught between the wire. That's good that I fixed that. What? Yeah, you can talk now. Yes, dude, I know. You guys saw my face. Uh-oh. LOL. Alright. You guys are already acquainted. I got all my homework done, guys, so I can talk on this thing for a while. This video will go on for an hour marathon. So, reassembling the dish tray right now. This tray was a bitch to get the cable back in for Jared. I'll tell you what the problem was why his disc wasn't reading. There was a little bit of a rip in his cable. So I have an old system that has a motherboard that burned out. I gotta repair that bitch. But anyway, I took the cable from that and I put it in that system, and I'm gonna order a couple of ribbons, couple of disc tray ribbons, and all types of different ribbons for the ps2. And I'm gonna order a couple new fans because next week I'm supposed to be getting 5 ps2s in the mail that I have to replace the fans on. So I'm gonna have to get those earlier. That way I'm prepared. What? Yeah. Dude, I'm gonna definitely be the biggest guy at track. I'm gonna be a little bit, dude. I'm gonna be a little bit better than you running in the hallway. I used to do that shit in 5th and 6th grade. I used to never go to class and run through the hallways. I'm a pro at that. I never get tired while I'm running in the hallways. What? No, dude, I seen the way track runs and stuff. I'm pretty confident with that. I used to run the hallways all the time. What? Yeah, dude, I know. I have a couple of friends that used to be on track. Told me all about it. Alright, YouTubers. Now it's time to put this... What? Too bad I gotta miss the first 2 days. Dude, I would do like I would go around like 20 times. To be honest with you, sprinting. Dude, you don't know me. Ask my teachers. I used to run from them. I ran around that hallway for like 20 times before. Running away from the teachers, dude. I know. Ask all my teachers I used to have. They'll tell you. Oh, Miles was such a fast runner going through those hallways. We had trouble catching him and all that stuff. They'll say it. They'll come right out of their mouths if you don't believe me. Yeah, I know. That's what I used to do. I used to run around the school nonstop. I wouldn't stop for the teachers. Say, come on, come on, come and catch me. Come and catch me. No, I didn't do that. Wait till I get on there. You're gonna see something. You're gonna see a surprising awakening. Next, you are a chicken. Dude, why are you telling me this? I'm a pro with this, I told you. Ooh, I banged. Dude, I actually had a chance with that bitch once. I had a chance with that bitch. No, I said I had a chance with that bitch, but I let it go. YouTubers, it feels like Jared already opened this game system, because these prongs are bent out of place. What? No. And your point is? Alright, YouTubers. Now it's time to put the final cap on this game system. And then we're going to bring the screw back together. And I'm not going to show you guys that it works because obviously you guys already know it does. Because I'm a pro. Showed you in all 10 of my videos before that I know how to fix a game system. Any game system works with my magic touch. And I have a God's gift at that. You know, Dude, you know Coach Bono had something going on with Coach Fiore? They're lesbians. That's serious. You asked, dude. You asked Miss Jonas about it. Actually, Miss Jonas and Coach Bono were doing it. And if you ask Miss Jonas about it, she'll say, yeah, heck yeah, I did that stuff. If you ask her personally, she doesn't say it out loud in the class. If you ask her personally, she'll tell you. She's not afraid. Why do you think she drives a Beetle? Drives a Beetle, dude. Why do you think Miss Jonas has no kids? I got all my homework done, dude. Dude, I'm so ahead of everything. I wasn't supposed to finish this ps2 for Jared for 2 weeks. This is already done. This is fast. Well, YouTubers, you guys saw my ad campaign going on. I put $50 in that campaign. Ba da 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 da. It's all finished, guys. PS2 reassembled, Nick. Look at that. God's gift. God's gift. This is God's gift right here, dude. Everything inside of this game system I love. I love everything about the PS2. PS4, awesome. I love all Sony's products. Xbox One, I repair one. If you guys send me in, I'll repair your Xbox Ones for you, but I'm not a big fan of those. I'm a big fan of Sony products. Xbox company can suck my right nut. Anyway, YouTubers, it's pretty much it. Everything's repaired on the system. Make sure you subscribe, and if you want to send any broken things to me, send me an email to my Twitter. I'll give you shipping details, and yeah, peace out.